Tonight, several countries have either paused or stopped using AstraZeneca's vaccine due to blood clotting concerns. Thank you so much for staying with us. I'm Alan Campbell.
And I'm Glenda Lewis. Now the drug maker insisting that its COVID-19 vaccine is safe. Joining us now is our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi. Dr. Nandi, good Monday to you.
Good afternoon, Glenda. How are you?
Oh, fine, thank you. So tell us about these cases involving blood clots and why it's so dangerous.
That's somewhat concerning, right? There've been 15 events of what's called deep vein thrombosis or DVTs and 22 events of pulmonary embolism. And that's with the blood clots in your lungs, right? And these health conditions happened sometime after the adults received the AstraZeneca vaccine. Now, Ireland was the latest country to suspend AstraZeneca's vaccine after they heard that Norway had 4 new cases that were considered to be serious. Now, Norwegian health authorities have said that 3 of them were of younger age. But it looks like these 3 had a condition called thrombocytopenia. That's a fancy word that means that people may have reduced number of platelets in their blood, and that platelets stop us from bleeding. So having thrombocytopenia is really quite dangerous.
So what proof is AstraZeneca using to now say that its vaccine is safe?
Well, Glenna, in the European Union, right, and the United Kingdom, there are about 17 million people who've been vaccinated with the AstraZeneca vaccine. It's a big number. So what the drug maker did was to review the data and compare it to real world numbers in the general population. And they looked at how many people would normally have had this DVT or deep vein thrombosis, a pulmonary embolism, and thrombocytopenia in a population of 17 million. And what they found was that their numbers were actually much lower. On top of that, their numbers were in line with other licensed COVID-19 vaccines. Now, AstraZeneca went much further to show that their vaccine is safe by doing additional testing. These tests were conducted not just by the drug maker, right, but also by the European health authorities, and they found no cause for concern. Even the World Health Organization has continued thus far to back AstraZeneca's vaccine.
So AstraZeneca's vaccine has been approved in 70 countries or more, hasn't been approved here. Will this stop that from happening? When might that happen?
And here's the thing, as a testament to our FDA, right? We're just extremely careful. Now, AstraZeneca is planning to file for the FDA's emergency use authorization, but they're waiting for the data in their phase 3 trial, which they're hoping to have in the next coming weeks. But now, if the FDA does grant approval and we get a 4th vaccine in the US, I would not let these reports deter you. Why? Because the FDA is going to look at the scientific reports of a blood clots and everything else and will not approve a vaccine if the scientific data does not show that overall it is safe to use. If it looks like the data is actually going to be concerning, they will not approve it. So again, my mantra is, right, please get vaccinated, please stay safe. Trust the authorities that have, this is their job to keep us safe. They will do so. So we'll keep on top of this story and make sure that anything new comes on, we'll let you know.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you for the update. Alan.
My pleasure.